Hi, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another vlog. And welcome to another sunny day in the beautiful city of Hyderabad. What's up? How's everyone? कैसे हो आप लोग? Hope everyone is doing great. Another weekend ride on Nagpur Highway, NH44. So time is about 7:44. Yes, we are running a little late today, and the ride destination is Pocharam Reservoir, which is in Medak district, about 120 kilometers from my place. So the starting point today is runway 9 near Machel. So abhi start ho gaye yaar at around 7:45, so 1.5 hours lagega because apna Google shows around 102 kilometers for the destination. But ride will be amazing because it is beautiful, bright and sunny, and अच्छा ठंडा ठंडा हवा मार रहा है. So hopefully we'll have fun time today. So आज I'm riding with the same group, this group that which we went last time to Kotepalli Reservoir, but the Ducati Diavel is missing today. Dr. Uday is not coming. Apart from that, we have 3 more riders joining in on Dominar, Duke 390, and we have Ninja 400 today. So as you can see in front of me, Kalyan on his Ninja 1000 with Vance & Hines exhaust, symphony to ears. And we have Sarvajit. He did not bring his Ninja 1000 today because there's a slight problem with that, it seems. So he has another bike, which is R3. Looks smashing, amazing for this category. Direct rival to Ninja 300. What the fuck is this? कितना बड़ा है, कितने टायर, छोटे छोटे टायर्स, छोटे छोटे टायर्स.
Looking for myself, I'm staring at my shadow. Am I gonna be safe in getting through tomorrow? When I throw me down, you can leave me to the side. You still raising me up, and when I look aside.
Alright guys, ride update. Another 2.3 kilometers. We are taking a left towards the Medak road. आगे से left ले लेके we'll head towards the Medak road, which I believe और एक 35 kilometers अंदर जाना पड़ेगा to reach the Pocharam Reservoir. So यहाँ तक तो it is complete national highway. From next 2 kilometer के बाद, around 1 kilometer के बाद, to be honest, it will be the state highway. And now the time is around 8:40. So I guess by 9:30 we'll reach there.
She guides me with the sun and light of me. It ain't over. It ain't over. It ain't over. It ain't over.
So this is the road where we are taking a left. Wow, back into greenery, guys. Okay, so this is the state highway, so it is going to be a single lane road. Have to be a little careful. Oh wow, I love this tree covers. Simply awesome. One good thing about state highways is that you'll have trees all over on the left and right, and that gives an amazing feeling of the ride. So another 35 kilometers from here and we'll make it to the destination. Look at this. I really love this, man. Beautiful, long, big trees. Amazing. It is the same thing which we went on the ride the last Sunday, the Vikarabad road. It was something like this. And definitely we have to face this little bit of bad patches in the middle of the road, which we can't avoid.
Just want me to find it, 'cause I'm not done. I just want me to find it.
Wow.
I'm not done. I just want me to find it, 'cause I'm not done. I just want me to find it. Shotgun. I just want me to find it, 'cause I'm not done. I just want me to find it. I'm not done. I just want me to find it, 'cause I'm not done. I just want me to find it.
We'll wait for everybody to come. మనోళ్ళు రాని మళ్ళీ వాళ్ళు స్ట్రైట్ వెళ్ళిపోతే కష్టమవుతుంది కదా. మ్యాప్స్ ఉన్నాయా వాళ్ళకి? ఇంకా 20 కిలోమీటర్స్ ఉన్నది 20 కిలోమీటర్స్ చూపెడుతుంది. నేను ఏమన్నా స్ట్రైట్ వెళ్ళిపోతాను అనలే, అందుకే ఆగని చెప్పినా నేను.
పర్ఫెక్ట్.
చలో
లాంగ్ రూట్ అసలు.
అవును, ఈ మెదక్ రోడ్ ఇంకోటి షార్ట్ ఉంటుంది. Alright people, probably we might have reached the destination. As I can see, we are going inside somewhere into the fields. अंदर जा रहे हैं. Wow. Alright people, we are done with our breakfast and some drone session and some photographies. We have taken some photographs. So I'm a little late. I have taken some drone shots of people going out, so I just packed up and going ahead. Okay, this is the task here. यहाँ से कैसे ऊपर लेके जाना, ऐसे ही जाएंगे. Woo! This is amazing. Wow, this bike is something different. Yeah, it can take any kind of road. I'm telling you, any type of road. So these guys have left without me. Hopefully they'll be waiting ahead. So this was Pocharam Dam, Pocharam Reservoir, and yes, there's good amount of water. People say there'll be a lot more water in rainy season, probably in another 1 or 2 months when there are a lot of rains, then you might find a lot of water over here. So beautiful place, guys. If anybody is like really crazy about some beautiful nature and some water places, then you can probably come here as well. So guys, आज के लिए बस इतना ही रखेंगे. This was it for the day. So from here we'll be heading back home. घर ही जाना है वापस से. So nothing much interesting from here. So I'll end the vlog over here. So thank you so much, guys, if you have watched this far, and please do hit the like button if you have liked this video, and do subscribe to my channel Moto Mari, and hit the bell icon to get latest updates and notifications whenever I post a video. And guys, thank you so much for all the love and affection and the support that you have shown me for the last previous videos. It means a lot, though it is still in hundreds views and hundreds subscribers. I still didn't expect this far, so thank you so much. Thanks once again. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye.